Everyone, and happy Saturday. So, I wanted to share a really fun deal with you guys. So, the Paramount Plus streaming service, this is $4.99 a month. You can do a free trial for 1 week, but what's even better about this is if you trigger your Rakuten on your desktops, there is $4.50 cash back. So this is for 1 month paid. So in total for 1 month of Paramount Plus streaming service, it comes out to just 49 cents for the whole entire month when you trigger your Rakuten. So I have a link below to Rakuten, which is a cashback app whenever you're purchasing online. So if you guys are at all interested in the Paramount Plus streaming service, you can try a month of it for just 99 cents after your Rakuten cashback. And I am all for this because of the real world and also the real world challenge. So I'm a big OG real world person. So if you guys are like me and you like the real world, this is what I'm going to be binge watching for the next probably week to 2 weeks. I don't know how long it's going to take me to watch this, but this is the show I'm looking to watch. It's the All Stars of the challenge, so it has all of the people from like the 90s, and I am so excited about it. So, I don't know if you guys are big real world road rules junkies like myself, but I am so excited for this. So, I will have a link below to Paramount Plus as well as Rakuten because you're going to need Rakuten to score that $4.50 cashback. And then I also added on the Showtime for my trial, and Showtime, they have a bunch of movies too. So it's kind of like Netflix, but different, obviously. And there are a ton of different movies you can choose from in their Showtime library as well. So just thought I would go ahead and share that with you guys. So have a great Saturday morning.